barbecue.
Welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, and today I have a very spooky recipe to share with you. Or not. It's not really a spooky anything. It's not even a Halloween recipe. However, I am gonna play a little mad scientist today. We're gonna try something. I don't know how many people have ever done it. I've never really looked into it, but I just thought about it and I thought, you know what? Let's just try it. Let's see what happens. So we're going to do a little injection with soda and one beer, because that's my favorite beer, and I thought, what the heck? And I had 4 pieces of chicken, so I needed 4. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. I got the charcoal rolling right now. Clean my grill. I gotta do some cleaning out here, guys. This is ridiculous. Everything out here is dirty, and I got cobwebs everywhere because it's fall, and so it's probably gonna be a next video. It's a little maintenance to the grills. But anyway, let's get the charcoal on, and we will get those pieces of chicken. We're injecting chicken breast today. That was the other thing. We're injecting chicken breast, and then I'm gonna season each one too. And then we're gonna cook them, and we're just gonna see what happens. We're gonna see if it changes the flavor, maybe adds some flavor, maybe makes them taste horrible. I don't really know, but that's what we're doing today. It is gonna be a bit of a struggle for me because it's not that great outside. It's been kind of rainy and nasty all day, and sinuses and stuff are going crazy. But hey, we're gonna knock out a video. So let's get going. Let's get this started. I'm gonna go trim these chickens, and then we'll get them injected, seasoned, and thrown on the old Weber. All right, guys. Before we go any further, I want you to stop right now. I want you to hit that subscribe button. I want you to hit that like button. And I want you to go to Instagram and Facebook at NewbieQ 2020. I want you to follow me on there. Let's get these numbers up, especially if you like what I'm doing. Let's do that. Help me out. Help me get my subscriber numbers up. And we can cook more food that way. So I've poured my sodas like this. This is Pepsi. This Pepsi's in this cup. Dr. Pepper's in this cup. The Mountain Dew is in this cup, and the beer is in that cup. So I'm gonna pick a breast for each one, and then we're gonna inject it, and then we're gonna season them. Now I'm gonna season the dark sodas with a barbecue sauce, and the light color, well, the light soda and the beer with a like a garlic and herb sauce. So anyway, let's do that real quick. Alright, so big chicken is beer, little chicken is Mountain Dew, big chicken is Dr. Pepper, little chicken is Pepsi. So let's start seasoning these bad boys. Alright, simple garlic and herb seasoning from McCormick, just a store-bought whatever. Alright, little Kansas City barbecue. That's all. That's just some store-bought stuff. Nothing crazy. That's what we're gonna use on these. These are the dark sodas. Alright, so now they're all seasoned. Let's slap these bad boys on the grill. We're gonna I'm gonna try to do them all at the same time because I want to smoke them just a little bit on the non-heat side or the indirect side, and then we'll grill them up and char them, and then we'll hopefully get them tasted after a while. All right, slap them on. Alright, we're going to check on them again. Woo-wee! They look pretty good. They don't really look like anything, really. They just look like chicken breast. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start charring these bad boys. Give them a little char on the edge of them. Also, there was extra beer. Angry Orchard's not sponsored yet. Alright, well, we're gonna let that get a little hot in there. We're gonna start charring those suckers. Remember, this was the one full of beer, this is the one full of Mountain Dew. Pretty good. Take them off. Doesn't that look pretty good? Looks pretty nice and charred. Nice little char on them. I tried to see how many times I can use the word char in this video. Looks pretty good. Take them off. We'll start on the next ones here. Move over here. Start charring these. There we go. See how we do on these bad boys. Oop. Ooh, I got that one just a little more black than I should have, but that's okay. That's okay. Oh yeah, look at that. All right. We'll do the other side. Alright, I'm pretty sure these are done. Let's go, you know what? Let's just go ahead and test it. There we go. Yep, okay, perfect. Let's pull them off. And then let's go give them a taste. Alright, so, taste tester. I brought my wife out to taste test with me. So we're gonna taste test. I got all these cut up. Dang flies, leave us alone. So this one here's the Pepsi one. This one here's the Dr. Pepper one. This one here's Mountain Dew, and this one here's got beer in it. So they've all been injected and seasoned different, but take a bite. Will you take a bite? You wanna take a bite? I did inside pieces, so they're not outside pieces, but see what you think. Kind of just tastes like chicken. No, not much flavor. Almost smaller bite. Dr. Pepper? It doesn't like change the color or nothing, so I thought maybe it'd discolor it, but it didn't. It's a little bit.
Oh, juicier.
Yeah, it was a little bit different. And this one's got the Mountain Dew in it. Mountain Dew, and I tried this with different seasoning. This doesn't have barbecue, this has like a garlic and herb seasoning. Garlic and herb. You can't tell the difference really.
Not from Mountain Dew, but I like the herb better.
Yeah. And this one's got the beer in it. I figured it'd be alright because it's got like beer can chicken, you know, that kind of stuff. So we'll see what happens. Shoot faster. I think it's pretty good. Yeah.
Oh, juicy too.
I like that one. It's pretty good. I think the beer's a winner. Or Dr. Pepper wasn't bad either.
Actually, those two are probably the most moist.
Moist. Alright, good enough. Cool. Alright guys, that is it for me. That is it for this little science experiment I had going on today. Little Halloween science experiment, since it's the week of Halloween. So, I can't really say there's much of a difference. I think the beer did taste a little bit better. It was a little more juicier. We thought the Dr. Pepper one tasted a little more moist. But as far as flavor wise, I don't think any of them made a difference. This does give me another idea for something in the future. I want to try some different liquids as injections. So we'll see. We'll have to see how that goes. But anyway, that's all I have for you. Like I said, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, NewbieQ2020. I do have a TikTok. It's NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue, but I'm not good at TikTok, so it is what it is. But subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out. I don't know what this was. Peace out.